Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. What are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product? Actually, one of my friends, she came to me and she said that, oh Avee, have you ever tried DHC Deep Cleansing Oil? And I was like, really? What's up with this oil? Is it really good? And then she told me that this oil is just amazing and it's a Japanese formulated oil and it has different ingredients that cleanses your face and also gives antioxidant property. So I just went through the ingredient list and I started to check what are the different ingredients, and it is such a good formulation. Okay, that's a spoiler alert because there is no comedogenic ingredient and also no fragrance in it. So I had to share this video with everyone to tell you why is it a bestseller and what are the different ingredients in it that is really good for all skin types. Before I dive into the video, let me introduce myself. My name is avee.megur, also known as Avee, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, vlog, and also art videos. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. Okay, let's move to the ingredient list now. So the first ingredient is olive fruit oil. As we know that it's a plant-derived extract, it's high in antioxidant property. That is a good ingredient as it hydrates as well as has anti-aging benefits. As it's an emollient and also antioxidant, it makes a shield and then removes the free radicals efficiently from the skin. These free radicals are the culprit. They are the external environmental stressors that sits on the skin and also degrades the collagen and fibroblasts that is present in our dermis. That leads to aging of the skin. Usually, you need a cleansing oil that can remove the makeup, the buildup of the day, and also the sunscreen. So this oil does a good job at it. The next ingredient is capric triglyceride. This is derived from glycerin as well as coconut oil. Now what does this do? This acts as an emollient. It helps to make a shield so that the water stays into the skin and there is no water loss. If you have a dry skin type, capric triglyceride formulations are really good to help that water to stay onto the skin, and it also helps with the transepidermal water loss. The first ingredient is the olive oil and then is the capric triglyceride. It's the second ingredient, so it's a dominating one. It helps to hydrate the skin, moisturize the skin, and to help the water to stay onto the skin and there is no water loss. Then there is pentylene glycol. It is a humectant and it helps to hold the water from the environment and penetrate into the skin. It's not a powerful humectant, it's a gentle humectant which doesn't draw out water from the deep layers of the skin. So it helps with the hydration of the skin. After pentylene glycol, there is tocopherol. Now tocopherol is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that comes after vitamin C. Vitamin C takes the crown in the antioxidant properties. But tocopherol acetate, these formulations are vitamin E. They help to remove the free radicals or else the unstable free radical components that can lead to damaging of the skin. Then in the last of the ingredient, I see that there is rosemary oil. Now rosemary oil are known to have fragrance into it, but this one doesn't have that. It has less of a fragrance component, but it helps with the antioxidant benefits. Usually, rosemary oil should be used in the concentration that is 0.2 to 5%, and it's in the last of the ingredient list, so it is less than 1% or 1% itself. So it helps with the removal of the free radicals and helps to bring back that healthy skin barrier. And in the studies, it has shown to have the anti-aging benefits. When applied on the skin in the animal studies, it has shown to improve the skin barrier of the animal. So it helps to bring back that lipid layers so that the skin becomes healthy in the compromised skin types, like it can be dry skin type or damaged by the external stressors skin type. So it's really good ingredient in general. You see the whole ingredient list, it doesn't have any particular extra fragrance ingredient like Anua heart leaf oil did. But here the formulation is so straight to the point, the ingredient list is so crisp, it's small, and they don't want to add any extra ingredient. They just want to aim towards removing the makeup. They want to aim towards removing the sunscreen and also removing the dirt and debris. This oil is doing a really good job. You cannot use this oil alone itself, as if you have the sensitive skin type, you can use this oil, or else if you have dry skin type or oily skin type, it's okay because none of the ingredients are alarming here. But you need to make sure that you are using a foaming cleanser right after application of this oil. This oil can give you best benefits by removing all the buildup of the day, whether it be makeup or the sunscreen or else the dirt and debris. And it also gives the antioxidant boost that removes the free radicals efficiently. This will help you to get that anti-aging benefits and to improve the overall skin quality. In my opinion, the company did a very good job. The DHC company did a very good job in formulating oil that can be used on daily basis. You can use it on daily basis and it will not leave your skin look like oily skin. It will make your skin look much more healthier. Efficiently using this product for 4 months can improve your skin quality. I mean, I absolutely love this formulation. This is so to the point, so like on the right track, and I like that because most of the industries don't understand the quality and the standard of the product. This formulation can be used by anyone. It's a universal product. You can use it if you have sensitive skin, if you have dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, oily skin type. It doesn't matter. You can use it for everyday use and this will do a good job. I absolutely love this formulation and I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope I covered all the points. If I have left out something, please mention it in the comment section below so that I can answer it to you or else make a whole new video about it. And thank you very much for watching again. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.